So I'm writing here this question. It's given as there are two numbers and they are in ratio 5:8.
What you're writing.
Yeah, can you see that?
No.
You can't see what I'm writing. Can you see? I have just written only 5:8. 5:8. Can you
No.
see that? Okay. I think you need to refresh. Once you refresh, you will be able to see that.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Oh yeah, now I can see your thing.
Okay. So it was 5:8. That are the two numbers and they are in ratio this. If the sum of the numbers is 182. Now if the sum of the number is 182,
Are we
find the
doing
numbers.
word?
Yes.
Are we doing algebra word problems?
Yes.
Oh, okay then.
So I'm again repeating, the question is two numbers are in ratio 5:8. If the sum of the numbers is 182, find the numbers. So
Are
if,
you writing again? Because I couldn't see again what you're writing.
like, can you see I'm writing 182?
No.
Okay, I don't know what's happening.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Look, now I can see 182 because I refreshed again.
Okay.
But every time you write something, I have to refresh. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
This
Okay.
doesn't normally happen.
Are you using Google Chrome?
Oh yeah, we're using. Are you using?
Oh, scantutor is not working, they said.
We're on the Julia Creator.
Yeah, this is the website. But I'm talking about the browser that you're using. So are you using Chrome as browser?
We were using. We weren't using Chrome before, but now we are. Oh, we're
Okay.
switching. Wait.
So like if you use Chrome as browser, you'll be able to see what I'm writing.
You are currently the only person in this conference. You are now muted.
Hello?
You are now unmuted.
Hello?
Hello? Yes. Okay.
Hello?
Can you see? Can
Yes.
Okay.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello?
Yes. Okay. So I was saying the question is two numbers are in ratio 5:8. If the sum of the numbers is 182, find the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So if the two numbers are given as 5:8, that means your numbers are 5x and 8x. Okay. Because they are in ratio. If they are in ratio, that means you have to multiply both the numbers by x. This is your first number and this is your second number. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now it's given as their sum is equals to 182. That means you have to add these two numbers. So it's 5x plus 8x equals 182. The second condition is given to us so that we can find the variable x. So solve this one
Wouldn't
now.
x wouldn't x equal 1 because 5 ratio 8 equals 182?
5:8 equals 182. So your number becomes, it's just a ratio. These two are not your actual number. These are just the ratios. So your number becomes 5x and 8x. When you add them, it will give you 182. That means your equation becomes 5x plus 8x equals 182. From here, calculate what's the value of x.
So, um, so wait, does that mean 13x equals 182?
Yes.
Um,
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello?
Hello? Yes. So calculate x from here.
Okay, so now we know that 13x equal 182 divided by 13. And 13, wait, oops. Done.
Yes, that's correct. So x is equals to 14. So your two number become 5 multiplied by 14, that is 70, and 8 multiplied by 14, that is 112. Okay, is this clear?
I,
So these are two numbers.
I understand I understand what to do from here.
Yes.
But then I didn't really understand the actual question, like what this was. I only understood
The method.
that I needed to solve the algebra. I don't understand what the actual question, the word problem was.
Yes, so that was that the two numbers are in ratio 5 is to 8. Okay, there are two numbers which are in ratio 5 is to 8 and their sum is given as 182. So you have to calculate, you have to find the two numbers. Okay,
Oh, okay.
so since they are in ratio, so we suppose that the first number is 5x and second number is 8x. Now, if you add these two numbers, you get 182. From here you get x equals 14 and from here you calculate the first number be 70 and second number be 112. Okay, is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so on the same I'm giving you one question and it's given as it's just like this one, but the difference is I'm changing the numbers. So it's given as the two numbers are in ratio 8:3. If the sum of the numbers are 143, calculate the two numbers.
So if it's but I also don't understand this part. What is this?
This is given in the question. It's given as the two numbers are in ratio 8:2. That means two number, you know how to find ratio, right?
Yeah.
So the two numbers are given, it's the ratio of two numbers are given. That is 8:3. 8 is to 3, it's the ratio of the given. And it's given as the sum of two numbers is 143. These are the two information given. Which means when you divide the two numbers, you'll get 8/3. And when you add the two numbers, you get 143. Calculate the two numbers. Is this question clear?
Not really, because I don't understand why. I don't really understand why.
Okay.
Why this? Why?
Yes.
Why this? Why this? So wait, your
Yes.
this number here
Yes.
equals this.
No, it's not equals. It's given as there are two numbers. Suppose there are two numbers x and y. Okay. So when you divide them, x divided by y, you get 8 over 3. And when you add them, you get 143. Is this clear? That's the question. Is it clear or not?
Um, no. What does this now equal this and this?
Yes.
This.
Yes. So like it's not the actual number. 8 and 3 are not the actual number. It's the last answer, 8 divided by 3. That means when I divide this, say for example, there are two numbers, 20 and 40. So it's given as when you divide the two numbers, you get 20 divided by 40. That is, you'll get 1 over 2. Okay. So this answer is given as here.
So wait, but how? Where's the? Oh, I don't really understand this.
Only the answer is given. It's given as there are two numbers. We don't know that number. Okay. It's up to us that we have to calculate those two numbers. And given as when you divide the two numbers, you get 8 divided by 3. Answer, the final answer is 8 divided by 3 when you divide these two numbers. And when you add these two numbers, you get 143. Calculate what are those two numbers. That's the question. Okay, see. Suppose there are two persons. If I divide their ages, I get 4. If I add their ages, I get 20.
There are
Calculate
four
their ages.
people. There are
There
four
are
children.
two. There are
Oh.
two persons. Okay. If I divide their ages, I'll get 4. And if I
Okay.
add their ages, I get 20.
Oh yeah. So it's this is how I would do it. X plus. Well, do you want me to do this? Plus. Plus B equals, was it 20? A
Yes.
divided by B equals 4. Now, so
Yeah, that's exactly.
okay, now you have to do then A. Okay. A equals B A equals B. Oh my god, no, it should be 20 minus B. Right, that's B. So yeah, now we can get the A and put it into here. So 20 minus B equals divided by B equals 4. minus 20 from here. Minus 15 equals minus 8 divided by b. Now the answer might be 4 because 4 times 4 is the answer 4. So is b equal 4?
See, we start with a divided by b. So when a is, okay, so if you say b is 4.
What is it? Yeah, and then 4 goes here. So then that's 16. So a equals
Yes, that's correct. Yeah, your answer is correct.
um,
So it's the same question. If you go back to this question, it's the same question that we were doing, which means when we divide the two numbers, instead of ages of two person, there are two numbers. When you divide two numbers, you get 5 divided by 4. When you add the two numbers, you get, sorry, 5 divided by 8, and when you add the two numbers, you get 182. Is this clear now?
it's a bit different though to the one we just did. I don't understand why. I don't understand. Wait, what? Why have? Sorry, 5. I don't understand how 5 ratio 8 is the same as 5x 8 and 8x.
In both ways you can do. Either by this method you can do, or 8x 2x, in that manner you can do.
Oh, so you can do it in either ratio or algebra.
Yes.
Okay then.
So you solve this one then. So two numbers are in ratio 8 ratio 3. That means their division is 8 divided by 3, and their sum is 143. Solve this one.
Oops. Should it be O? Oops, why is it blue? It doesn't matter. OX plus 3x equals 143. So now if you add these, you get 11x 143. Then you have to divide this by 11 to get 13. Done. Done. Hello.
Yes, yes.
I've done it.
Yes, yes. Now you have to find both the numbers.
Yeah, x equals 13.
Yes, so x is 13, then calculate the two numbers.
Oh, okay. So, oh. So now do I do 8 times by 13, which is 107? Wait, let me check. No, it isn't. it's 100 and 104. Is it 104?
Yes, that's correct.
So this equals this. And this equals 3 times by that is 39.
Yes, that's correct. These two are correct. Now let me move on to the next question. Is this question clear completely?
Yes, now it is.
Okay.
Actually, wait, there's one question.
Yes, yes.
Why? See, wait, I was going to ask, does this here
Yes.
equal to this? So it's equal to it.
Yes. Actually, the first number is 104 and second number is 39.
Oh, so wait, sorry, I think I wrote it wrong then. So wait, would you actually write it as 104 ratio 39?
Yes, so when you divide, you get answer 8 over 3. So like if the question is given, find the two numbers. So you don't have to write in ratio. You can write 104 and 39 are the two numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next is, it's given as the length of the rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeter. Question clear? Length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeters. If the length and the breadth are each increased by 3 centimeter, if the length and the breadth each increased by 3 centimeter, each by 3 centimeters, the area of the new rectangle will be 84 centimeters square. More than the given rectangle. Find the length and the breadth. So I'm again repeating, it's a big question. So it's given as the one by one. Let me split this question. So first is the length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeters,
So
which
it's
means, yes, yes.
I'm not really understanding the question.
Okay, I think I need to upload this question just for 1 second so that you can see this. Just wait a minute. Till then I'm just uploading this question. Till then you solve this one.
So I'll solve this while you're uploading the question.
Yes, because it will take time. So let's not waste the time. So till then you solve this one. You solve this one.
Oh, is this, so do you want me to do cross multiplication?
Yes.
So x times by 14x
Yes.
be 14x squared. What is this? Is that plus 1?
Uh, yes, 2x plus 1.
7x brackets. Oh, 2x plus 1.
Yes.
Making that 14. Now we can take that there, take this there
Yes.
to get 0 equals 7x. They can divide this by 7 to get x equals so then
Yes. So what's your final answer?
that'll just get you zeros. Does x equal 0?
Yes. X equals 0. That's correct.
Hello?
Yes, that's correct. X equals 0.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
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 Hello? Yeah, I...
Okay, wait a minute.
Oh, hello?
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 Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the question actually. Read out the question and tell me what's your understanding.
Okay, hence wait, it's at the bottom part. You know where it says hence the original fraction is 5/8. Is that part of the question?
No. That's the previous one. Read that.
Okay, fine. Is birth by dice is each increase by it's if the length and breadth are each increased by 3, the area of the new rectangle will be 4. I'm not understanding the question. Its breadth, a length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeters. Oh, if the length and breadth are each increased by 3 centimeters, the area of the new rectangle will be a4 centimeters more than that of the given rectangle. Find the length and width of the given rectangle. Check your solution. Is that all they give you for the question?
Yes.
Oh, Where should I work it out?
Okay, yeah, definitely. So you take the screenshot of this, and then what I'll do that, yeah, take the screenshot first. Then I'll use a blank page. Okay.
Okay.
Have you taken it?
Yes.
Okay. So read the question and tell me how can you solve that. First you tell me, then I'll tell you.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you properly.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm saying read out the question and try to solve this on both.
Okay, so now okay then the question keeps going and come back. Question is the length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeters.
Yes.
If the length and breadth are so the length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeters. Exceeds. Then it says if the length and breadth are each increased by 3 centimeters,
Yes.
um right now, so that would be x. Now let me get the question up again. So then it says the area of the rectangle be 84 more than
The
the
original.
than the given rectangle.
Yes, that is area will be 84 centimeter more than the original area. Like x plus
So
9 and x are the
L
dimensions of
times
real
B.
Newton.
So what? So is the L times B
Yes.
equals A, and here it is, and it will be 84 more. So L times B equals A plus 84. Oh no, wait, but then that has to be
You have to multiply them.
3 plus L times by 3 plus B.
Yes, and it should be inside the brackets. Always use the brackets. Okay, wait a minute.
I've got no room.
It's
It's too thick. So, um, can I get a whiteboard?
Sorry? Change.
Yeah, because there's no room.
Okay, wait a
And then,
minute.
can we change back to that one when I need it? Or I don't know.
Okay, okay, you want to change on your own? That you are saying?
No, I'm saying that there's no more room on this one, so
Yeah,
um,
that's why I moved on to the next one.
yeah.
Yes.
So should I do that again, all of it again?
No, you can go back and see. You can continue from here. You just write it on your notebook and then you'll continue with in the next. You just write it down, the last part.
Okay, let me write down the question.
Yes.
So shall I work it out in my book then?
No, I'm saying you just write down this last part, only this last part, so that you can continue it from here. That I'm saying.
Oh, okay. Okay, and so and the last part was 3 plus L brackets times by 3 plus B bracket equals A plus 84. Alright, you can change slide.
Okay, I can change that.
Yeah. Wait, then shall I work on the whiteboard now?
Yes.
Um, okay, so, what's, oh wait, can we go back a second? Because I need to check something.
Yes.
This bit I need to write, can I write down this as well?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
L equals X plus 9B equals X. And I need to draw L plus AB plus. Alright, can you go to the next slide now? Oh god, oops, oopsie doopsie. So now, yeah, we've got 3 plus, and if it was L, it's going to be X plus 9.
Yes.
Um, times by, can just do that. 3 plus must be X X equals A minus 84. Does it tell you what the area was?
No, it's given as that area of the new is 84 centimeters squared more than the original one.
So have I wrote that right?
Yes, so you just have to write this one and A also. A is what? X plus 9 multiplied by X. That is A. Okay?
Um,
these are the real dimensions, right? These are the original dimensions, and these are the new dimensions when you add 3 to both the sides, right? So they're saying that the new is 84 more than the original.
Oh, then why have I done minus? Should be plus.
No, it's correct, it's correct. No, oh yes, on 84 more A is original now. Yes, that's correct.
So wait, am I correct now?
Yeah, this equation is correct. Now you solve this.
Oh, wait, what's happening? Wherever I move my mouse is drawing and I'm not even clicking anything.
Yes, it sometimes happens. So you just have to go back and delete. Yeah.
There you go. Okay then, so yeah, this now is 12 plus x times by 3x equals a plus 84. Okay, now we can add those, we can times those to get 3x power 2 plus 12 equals a plus
Wait, it's
80.
x plus 3 and x plus 12. X plus 3, not 3x, it's x plus 3.
Sorry.
This is x plus 3 that you have to multiply. This one. Wait a minute. This one.
Oh, so wait, is
Yeah,
it?
this
This
is,
is not.
yes,
It's
this is x plus 3.
okay. 84. Um. So now, uh, keeps happening. It keeps making me wherever I move my mouse, it draws. There you go. Um. So this is a plus. Should be. So then this is 15 plus x plus x, which then equals to 2x plus 15 plus 15 equals ow.
How can it
Um
be 15x plus x? It's, you have to multiply these two. These are the two different brackets, 12 plus x and 3 plus x. These are two different brackets.
so
Okay,
what have I done wrong?
yes. That's why I told you, never use multiple sign, instead use brackets. If they're inside a term, there are inside a bracket, there are two terms, always use brackets.
Uh, that so this should be, this is wrong here. This should be 12. I added the, it should be 15x plus x times by x. Make x power 2 plus 15. Oh, what's this? Is that another X?
Yes, I don't know it's how you got 15, but it's 12 multiplied by 3, you get 36.
Oh, you multiply them.
Yes, you have to multiply.
Forgot about that. Let me just change colors. Right, now I've got 15. Well, I need this. Is it 36?
Yes.
And there's none of this. Like that.
When you have to multiply, you'll get 4 different terms. Remember last time I've told you how to multiply two brackets?
Yeah. So wait, is it like that?
No, it's not right. You're missing a term. Wait a minute, let me show you how to solve this. Wait a minute. It was x plus 12 x plus 3 is equals to
Oh.
84 plus a. A was the original area, which was x multiplied by x plus 9, right?
Yeah.
Now, when you multiply, the first term gets multiplied with the first term, it's x squared. First term with the second term, 3x. Second term with the first term, 12x. And second term with the second term, 36. This is how you multiply. Then it's 84 plus, when you open, it's x multiplied by x,
Wait,
x squared.
you've
Yes.
done.
In last lecture, I told you how to multiply these. You can open that one. You can see.
Oh.
Remember?
Wait, why is there? But I understand all of that, but I don't understand why this part here.
You yourself wrote here, right? 84 plus a. Right? It was 84 plus a. This is a. Original area. Original area is what? X plus 9 multiplied by x.
Yeah, so yeah, but I was saying I don't understand where this part has come from.
Yes, this is A. This is the original area because the question is given as the area of new rectangle 84 centimeter squared more than the given rectangle. So the area of new rectangle is 84 more than the original rectangle area, and this is the area of original rectangle.
Oh, but can I just check the question quickly?
Yes.
But that's not right because that it says here that it the length of it exceeds its breadth by 9.
Yes.
So why in the area have you written x plus 9?
See, this is a rectangle in which breadth is x and length is x plus 9. Is this clear?
Sorry.
There's a rectangle in which breadth is x and the length is x plus 9, right? You Can you hear me now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so I was saying in the question is given as length of rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeters. That means breadth is x and length is x plus 9. Clear?
Yes.
So when you length multiplied by breadth is the area. So area is what? X multiplied by x plus 9. Right?
Right. But no. Yeah, I understand that, but I just don't understand why there's. I still don't understand why there's.
First tell me if it's given as that length of rectangle exceeds its breadth by 9 centimeter. That means breadth is x and length is 9 plus x. Is this clear? Is this point clear? By first line. You yourself wrote here. Even I haven't told you. You wrote here that breadth is x and length is x plus 9, right?
Yeah.
So that means your breadth is x and length is x plus 9. So area of this rectangle is what? Length multiplied by breadth. That means x multiplied by 9 plus x. That's the area of this rectangle. Clear?
Oh. Wait, but if this is. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I understand.
Is it
Now I
clear?
understand.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to solve this equation. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So the rest of the question is for homework. You do this and I'll check in the next class. Okay?
Can I snip it?
Yeah, definitely.
And I'll write down. This is. Oops. Wait. Snip that. Let me save it. So where should I send the answer? Where should I send the answer to?
Okay, in the next class, you tell me. At the beginning of the class, you tell me the answer. Okay?
Okay. Let me just write. Top hopefully. What day is it? Okay then. Okay then.
Okay then. Thank you.
Okay.
You are currently the only person in this conference.